everyone, Rogan here with the Fishy Camper. So we're in Florida. Actually, we're going to do a charter out of Lake Okeechobee, out of a little town called Clewiston, Florida, where I'm from. But right now we're visiting some family. Me and the wife and I came here, and we're visiting my Aunt Bobby that lives in Middleburg. And there's a little creek down here. We're going to give it a shot and see if we can, maybe, I don't know, just catch something. Doesn't matter if we do or not. We just had a lunch out here. It's very nice. Anyway, it's called Black Creek, which is in Middleburg, Florida. And there's a couple people over there fishing and stuff. I'm going to take the old drone out and fly it around the corner since we don't have a boat or anything here. And I got my portable fishing rod, Placino, I think is how you say it. Extendable rod and stuff like that. I'm going to cast in a little bit and see if we can do it. And then, yeah, it's kind of nice. So we're just out here visiting and figure we'll give it a shot. And we're going to get some drone footage too of this. This is definitely some pretty pictures.
Frank. What are you doing?
Catching it.
Playing.
Are you not going to take it out?
I already did.
Oh. Is the battery dead?
53%. I can take out a little bit more.
I thought you were going to go down the river a little bit.
I did. I went about a mile. I lost range.
Oh, well then don't lose it.
Yeah,
Never mind. Well, if you lose range, then you can't control it, right?
Right, it flies away.
No, it comes back home.
It comes back home, yeah.
Those are some healthy looking chickens, buddy.
No, they are. They're getting it. What's up, baby chicken? Are you original or extra crispy?
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Well, we didn't catch anything this time, but we will catch something in Clewiston, Belle Glade, when we go out on a charter boat fishing. All right, let's get moving. Bike fest, and we're out here checking it out right now. So we're gonna we'll show you guys around a little bit. We're gonna have a good time using the bike, and this is what it is right here. And let's go forward a little bit. Alright, see if we can't find a t-shirt. Let's see, what are they? Oh, 3 for 30. Gotta find one here for a fact. We're gonna find something. We're gonna find something here. I kinda like the one with the pumpkins on it. We'll check these out. Oh yeah, I think that one's pretty good right there. Alright, got 3 shirts, got one for my buddy Pat, and we're gonna find one for my wife. Tank top. shirt.
I know you guys are free.
I love that shirt.
Did you get it at the village?
Look in my eyes, what do you see? The cult of personality. I know your anger.
Yeah. My wife bought me a hat. I like it. Alright, 1 minute change here. Be on the beach. My cool sandpipers. Oh, Joe's Crab Shack. Right there. Might stop there. Actually, we're going to go dinner somewhere else. There's a special place of mine that a friend of mine told me about. So we're going to go over there and check it out. Good time. So as you can tell, I'm into RVing, motorcycle, fishing, and everything else. And this is definitely outdoors. So it's pretty cool. Definitely a lot of fun. Alright, back later. Well, good morning, everyone. Well, here we're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going after peacock bass, with back flats and beyond. Can't see that right there, but he's already got the boat launched, Captain John, and that's what we're headed to do right now. So it should be a lot of fun, something different. Something I never went after before. I never fished for peacock bass before, so that's what we're headed out to do. Hopefully we don't get eaten alive by mosquitoes. Got the boat out there already. Sun's not even up yet, so we'll give it a good shot. Oh, cool.
All right, thank you.
Frank, why don't I just get you to have a seat right there?
There you
The
go.
rest of y'all can sit anywhere down
Cool.
here in the boat. We'll use these chairs more out fishing, but just
Exactly.
now
I'll sit back there.
we'll get y'all anywhere down here.
Down right there. There you go. Got it.
Ow, them mosquitoes are all over me, buddy.
Well, let me know when you're ready to haul ass and we'll get them blown out of us.
Ready to haul ass, Frank?
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hold on to your hats, guys.
All right.
You ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it. Frank got one. Frank got one. He's on. Get him in, Frank. Come on.
He's fighting you, Frank.
Oh, that's
Yeah!
That's a beaut.
Nice.
That's a good peacock.
Dang, Frank.
And then 10 in a row back to back, so you can hit the same spot over.
Bam.
There's one right there.
It's gonna be cloudy all day. When the sun comes out, you can sort of sight fish. It's like, oh, there's one.
Just flag him and go.
That's my favorite thing. Sight fishing is my favorite thing in the world.
Oh yeah.
Because it's also very emotional. Because when you see one, you make a perfect cast. He puts his nose on it, and then turns away. You're like, "Fuck you, fish!" I'll start taking it personal, and that's how I know I got a problem. When it's like, you got wrapped around an Indian fertility stone,
Ooh.
otherwise known as a fucking rock. So like I was saying before, there's current moving through here, and peacock bass, largemouth bass, snook, anything with a big fat tail, not a forked tail like a tuna.
Yeah.
And especially anything that doesn't have teeth, just a wide open mouth. They're ambush hunters. So what they want to do is sit in one spot, not burn a lot of energy, and just annihilate something. They don't want to really chase it down. If you see, I don't know how many calories are in this shiner, it can't be more than 20.
Right.
But if you got to burn 100 calories to kill a 20 calorie shiner, that calorie math don't work out, you never grow up. So what they're going to do is use like these rocks along the side or these bridge pilings here, put their nose kind of right up on it, and as the current's coming through, that's blocking the current. They don't have to swim very hard into it, and they're just letting the current bring stuff to them. So what I find works the best to make the most natural presentation is to try to throw up current and let that, and put as much slack in the line as you can stand, to let that fish come down and look as natural as possible, just coming on down with the current. And that's going to help when you get these, like, I'm going to call them more educated fish.
Yeah.
These fish that have probably been caught once or twice before. Because 99% of these fish have been caught and released. Like
Oh, yeah.
most people release everything they catch out here, so they get a little educated. So by making the most natural presentation in the world, you're doing the best to make it look, because you got to eat.
Oh, yeah.
You're doing the best in the world to make it look like what he normally eats.
Like, you know, something totally not. That's like with trout fishing, do the same thing. You know, you always go upstream and stuff. If you're fishing with worms, then you let it just kind of, the fish go, I mean, the food goes to the fish. Look at that, peacock just grabbed it. No, I'm kidding. That was
That's when I start taking it personal. It can happen. It does happen. There's small
Yeah, that gator was a little bit too tame. That's why you don't feed the gators.
Do not feed the wildlife. It's not good for them, it's not good for us.
Nice. Nice.
I knew they was here. Okay. It's a new shirt too. It's one thing I hate about throwing these jerk baits is just how many treble hooks there are.
Oh, they are. You're just trying to get them off at the same time.
Yeah, there's 3 sharp treble hooks and with him still fighting.
Yep. That bite got me.
You got?
Yeah, that was.
That's
the same one.
No, this is largemouth. The last one was peacock. Different species.
Ooh.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, largemouth. The last one's peacock.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I know they're here. Line goes slack. Keep it tight. Alright, there you go. You can swing him in. Just both flip that
Might be a keeper.
Yeah, let's keep it. Both flip it.
Ooh.
Oh, hey, Frank, look.
Oh my
I got him.
God.
Peacock.
And I got to bite my bait.
Throw that bait right back in there. If there's still fish there, don't waste any time, man. If they're still in there and they're eating, throw it in there at them.
Oh, man.
You lost him.
Frank? No. There you go. You got one.
Oh, there you go.
Pull him in, Frank. There's one that just was out there. It just bubbled out there. Get him, Frank. Get him.
Did it keeper? Did it keeper? Did it keeper?
Oh. Oh, wait.
Oh, that would have been cool.
Did you get it?
Oh, Frank.
How pretty. Turn around. Look at me. He's gonna put it next to you. Look at that. Ready? Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Got one. It's small. Tiny. Fish on.
Oh.
Bye-bye, fishing.
Why'd you let him go?
He's too little.
There is no minimum.
That's just a nugget fish. Let him grow bigger. And
I like nuggets. I like fish nuggets.
you like fish nuggets? You could have had a fish nugget.
He got off.
Yeah,
He wasn't?
barely hooked.
Oh
I wanted to just pick him
no.
up and swing him in.
Oh,
Yeah, it's all right.
he didn't want to be dinner.
You don't want to be dinner? Is that what it was?
Frank's got one. Frank's got one. Nice. Yeah, baby. Holy smokes.
Oh, that's a keeper. Look at that.
Ah! How about that? How about that? Ooh,
Here.
hurry up, Frank.
Over here. Just put him over here.
I don't know what to do with him. Here, take him. Ah, good job. Ooh. Is that one a keeper?
Wait a minute. I think we're allowed to keep one more. This is it,
Hold
right?
on to the drone.
Huh?
Hold him up to the drone.
Not a bad size fish, too. Ah, double shake. Wait a minute, Frank. We got a double one. Oh, he barely hooked, so get your picture if you want it.
Hold on. Ready? Hold him up, you guys.
Look at the color of this gill, buddy.
Oh, Frank, why'd you let it go? Keith.
Cool thing.
Is that a bass?
Peacock.
Peacock.
Ooh, God.
All right, Frank. Oh, he's got that one.
That's the other thing that's attractive about it, right? The only thing that really scares me about it is going into business with my friends. That's how you lose friends.
Yes, it is. All right, Frank. Ready to? Or give it to your kids.
Figure give it to my kids.
Oh my God, he got another one.
Give it to my kids to run it and have them put me on salary so I got some income still coming.
Hey, Frank, you outdoing me.
It's up to you if you want to try that jerkbait. I got a feeling the big ones are going to hit the live bait better, but it's up to you if you want to try that jerkbait again to get a few more bites.
All these little ones. Where's the biggest?
Where's the big?
I'm pretty sure he's in the water somewhere.
Where's the biggest?
How the hell is he catching more fish on that jerkbait than you are on live bait? It don't make no sense.
Yeah, Frank. Where did you see that?
Oh my God, you got another one.
He is? Nice!
Got a peacock.
I don't know about
Oh wow, what a view. Now that's a fish right there, buddy.
See if this one calls one of these.
Ah! Oh my God.
That one's bigger, huh?
You think this one's bigger?
I think so, yeah. Get a boom?
Oh my gosh, Frank!
Awesome.
Oh yeah, and you got one too.
You got
Oh.
a double take? All right, Nicole, get them both on there.
I'm trying.
I don't think he'll cover.
Good job, Frank.
Oh my God, look at that little one.
That's awesome. He wasn't big enough?
Boy, we got what he
Okay.
We're limited out.
Oh, of that
I
kind.
don't think he's bigger than the ones we already got in the box either.
That pickle fish is gonna be good. Pickle fish.
All this fun on a fishy camper.
I know, right? Here.
That's good.
Oh! Hurry up and get him. So when we go in, is there gonna be somebody who's gonna see what we have? They like
No, they might. There's a ranger there. He'll
Okay.
check out what we have.
a ditch pickle. That was the name of it. A crab pickle fish.
Pickle fish. Pickle fish. Pickle fish.
So it is a large. I thought that's actually what it was. I thought it.
I know, I was gonna just let you keep saying pickle fish because I was getting a kick out of
He's
it.
like this girl. I'm telling you.
I was
can
getting a
eat
kick
pickle
out of
fish.
it. I was getting a kick out of it. I was chuckling
Wait till you
every
tell
time.
your wife.
We got a pickle
We
fish!
got a pickle fish.
I was getting a kick out of it.
Oh my God. I love fried pickles. I love pickles. Yum, yum,
They
yum.
taste just like pickles, I'm telling you. So you can tell he's about because he's got this hump, but when they're spawning, this hump gets huge, like a big old knot.
Yeah.
And basically, their hormones kind of change. Like they get fired up with testosterone, they're going to be guarding nests and pushing other males out of their territory and fighting over mates and guarding their fry and all this. So kind of like a deer in the rut grows antlers and then sheds them. This knot will grow, and then after they're done spawning, after they're pushed off their beds, it gets reabsorbed into them. It's basically on these, instead of like horns like a deer, it's fatty tissue.
Oh, okay.
I almost think it's a way for them to store up calories, because for a week or two while they're guarding a nest and everything else, they're not really feeding. So I think it's a way for them to store up calories. But when they grow this,
Yeah.
it's like a hormone change. All this testosterone, it's like roid rage when they're on the end of your line, man. They're pulling twice as hard.
Oh, wow.
You'll hook one with a big knot, a big pissed off male with a knot on his head, and you'll think that you got a whale.
Later, Gator.
You got one. You're dragging him in, Frank.
That's a big.
That's a little one there.
That looks like a peacock bass, only smaller.
That's a little one.
Look at the size of the bait he was trying to eat. Like, what were you thinking?
Oh no.
You're fishing Chokoloski.
Once.